Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This video make for a new mining site. So if you want to know this site, please stay with me and keep watching my video. This video useful for online earning and for you. So I hope you will stay with me. First off, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Crypto and Travel. It has a 2 part, 1 part crypto related video uploaded and another part travel related video. If you get any information, please subscribe and stay with me. I every day uploaded crypto related video in this site. So if you know about this site, please subscribe my channel, okay, and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification. Okay, now I go to this my information. This site is ETH Freewing. It's a new mining site. If you know onto this site, I think most of the people also joining this site. I have already joining 3 days, but this site came before 1 year ago. So I hope you will be joining this. It's very simple of way for this earning. Just claim here is a free ether, Spain, black red, and it says dice, lottery, progress, this site. So you can deposit in this site. So I think you not need this, but I try to show you how to join this site. First off, I to show you how to claim your or earning from this site. First come up free ether option. Here is a free ether available here. If you will be claim this every hour back, you will get a free ether. That is a condition. So I have already to claim. As a you must be every time only 5 claim. Okay, so here is available your spin available. If you spin, those will be matching, then you will get you more bonus from this side. Okay, here is a black red available. You can choose this option and click near this maximum. You can 2x or also my divided, and now beat this. And you can save it. Here is a safe side. You can choose any one option. Click this option. Get this. Okay. Dice option. Here is a many type of dice. Choose this option. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, and 8, 9. With this, it will be win. Okay, must be fill up this amount. Okay, how amount of ether will be beat this. Okay, you can buy lottery from this site. Okay, so if you 10, 11, now 21, 22, and now set this up amount and click this. You will get if you win this, you get more earn from this side. Okay, another progress, your achievement, your total performance show here. So it's the new type of mining. If you want to deposit this side, you must be deposit from by this. You can deposit this ether. You cannot deposit Bitcoin other coin must be deposits ether by 7 ether. Okay, withdrawal amount. If you have a withdraw amount when you reach 0.15 ether, you can withdraw from this side. Okay, so this is the uh, amount of this side. This side is so not much newer, but it's stay long time. So I hope you will be joining this one. How to joining this? Come to my video description, you get this link. Okay, so when you click this option, you come to video description, and it's very easily for your get this information. Okay, now when you click this my link, you get this option. Okay, so what do you now? You must be logging your Gmail Okay, and you can log in with or registration with other way, like as Instagram and Facebook. So I think it's will be safe for Gmail. So please click this option, roll, and any option. You come to this option. Okay, then there is a 3 option available here. How to register this? Continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Instagram. Now click to this. If you choose there any one, so I preferable with Google. So click this option. It will be easily information. Choose this or your wallet address. Okay, so I choose this my Gmail option. That's the simple of registration. So when I registration, I completed, then I get 15 ether get from this side. It's for bonus. So now click this option. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I get this 0.07 ether, and now my ether will reach this option. Okay, it's a simple of option for joining. So that's the information about this site. I hope you will be joining this site, and every hour you killing this site. Inshallah, if you will stay with me, I will try to show you every day earning site in my YouTube channel. So don't forget for subscribe my channel. Okay, so what do you have comment in about this site? Please type my comment box. Have you any problem about this site? Please acknowledge me. I will try to explain you. Inshallah, pray for me every time. Remember to Allah. Take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.